Hello, welcome back to Galvix's YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about sales tax Nexus rules in Mississippi. So if you are a business that sells to customers in Mississippi, then this is the video for you. You may be required to collect sales tax and remit it to the state, and this is when you should be doing that. So let's get started. Firstly, what is sales tax nexus? It is simply put a connection between the state and your business that obligates you in collecting sales tax from your customers and remitting it to the state. Now, when do you know that you have this connection? It is in two conditions. One is a physical nexus, the other one is economic nexus. So, physical nexus is something that you have when your business has a physical presence in the state of Mississippi, in the form of an office, a warehouse, an inventory, employees that are working for your company. Those could be even remote employees, or if you have any other sales tax. Obligating activities, like if you have sales happening in the state, then that can also create a tax obligation for your business. So then you will be required to register for sales tax. In case you do not have a physical presence, then your nexus is determined by your sales volume and number of transactions in that state over a specific period of time. That determines your economic nexus. Now, for the state of Mississippi, the rules are as such: your sales threshold must be beyond $250,000, and there is no transaction limit specified. So, if your sales is more than this, then you will be required to register for sales tax certificate and start the process of collecting and remitting sales tax. Now, the major question that a lot of businesses get confused with, and why sales tax is actually complex, is because we do not know what counts towards that threshold. So, I'm going to answer that in three simple questions. One, are marketplace sales excluded from the economic threshold? Now, for the state of Mississippi, they are in fact excluded. So, all your sales that are done on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or any other marketplace are not calculated for your threshold calculation. Now, the other question is, are wholesale or resale transactions excluded from the economic threshold? For the state of Mississippi, they are not excluded. They are in fact included. And you may also need to keep the documentation intact. Now, the third and the final question is, are non taxable or exempt sales excluded from the economic threshold calculation? The answer again is no, they are not excluded. They are in fact included. So, even if a product is non taxable in the state of Mississippi, you will still count that for calculating your economic threshold. But yes, of course, you need to keep the documentation intact again. Now, after you've done all this calculation, if your sales volume is still above $250,000, then you will be required to register for a sales tax certificate at the TAP portal, which is your Mississippi Department of Revenue official portal. You can follow our ongoing tutorial series to understand how you can, register. There is a visual step-by-step tutorial. If not, we are at Galvix, a sales tax compliance solution. We help you with Nexus tracking in all states of US, and with registrations. We help you in filing your returns as well. So you can check us out down below, which is at www.galvix.com. And like this video if you thought it was useful for you, and let us know if you have any other comments or questions for the state of Mississippi or any other US state sales tax. We'd be happy to answer them for you. Take care. We'll see you again in another video.